Talent quest is a
For losers. Why don't you two leave Chompers Nick off? We've got important things to think about.
Fine.
I suppose that means they're not interested in the talent quest.
Okay.
Hey, Nick! Nicky! Babe! Yeah, it's Joe. Listen, how about that band I sent you, huh? Joe King? Yeah. Yeah, but, Mr. Andrews... Hello? Hello?
Oh, you okay?
Yeah, sure. The cleaning stuff's in there. We're not the cleaners. We're your neighbours.
Yeah, we just came over to say hi.
Oh, that's nice. Hi. We go to the local uni. Yeah, hi. Could you please put me through to Mr. Nick Andrews, please? Yeah, could you please tell him that it's Joe King here again? Yeah, thanks. Oh, gee, that was quick. Are you sure he won't be back for the rest of the year? Well, could you please tell him that I called when he gets back? Yeah, thanks.
Bummer.
Hey, no sweat. Happens to us promoters all the time. Oh, yeah? What do you promote? You name it, I promote it. Big, small, large...
Gee, you sound really important.
Robbie? Well, we go to the uni down the road. I'm Leonard. This is Robbie. Yeah, what you studying? Well, science.
Medicine.
Gee, bad choices, guys. No money in that stuff.
Had enough.
Well, I'm doing a major in quantum physics.
Gee, well, I should warn you that some of my wilder parties go way past 8 o'clock at night.
Check it.
Is he for real?
No one would pretend to be like that.
Oh, did you see his mobile phone?
Yeah, looks like he may be worth a few bucks.
Do you think the new owner will take you back, Mitigliana?
Ha! Fat chance. The last owner carked it rather than look after her.
Listen, sausage snout. At least I had the benefit of a proper home.
Once.
Hi, guys. Met Joe, the new owner, yet?
Nah. Is he rich?
Doesn't have a cat, does he?
He probably likes rabbits, though. Does he look like he likes rabbits?
Or dogs?
Bad news. The only person this guy likes is himself.
Good luck.
You're gonna need it.
I'll hit him with the old tragic homeless orphans routine.
Oh, that'll never work. I'll tell him I inherited the house and that as such
Oh,
he
maybe
also...
he'll just like us.
Oh, don't hold your breath, fuzzbum.
I wasn't going to.
I'll just give him some of my old bones.
Dear Anne. Hide!
Oh. What is this, a zoo? What are you doing in my shed?
What do you mean your shed? It's our shed.
This is my shed, Big Ears.
But it's always been our shed, hasn't it,
Not
guys?
anymore, Fully Farms. Move out.
But we can't.
Where will we go?
Not my problem.
Not your problem. No wonder our school system's gone to the dogs.
What? What?
Let me introduce myself, pal. Professor Rattus P. Rattus at your service. Excuse me. I'm chief mentor and teacher of these poor fools, my pupils.
What's who you're calling a fool, rat?
Any more of that and you'll be on detention. Discipline's appalling these days.
You're trying to tell me this is a school?
Yeah, for underprivileged animals. Right, no more talking, class.
Get real.
What's going on?
I said no more talking, Mixie. That's your last warning.
That's not fair.
Right, that's it. Stand outside, Mixie.
Come on, Rattus.
Dear Anne, are you scratching in class again?
What's wrong with that?
Manners, dear, and manners. Right out. I must not scratch in class 1,000 times, boy.
But-
Now!
He can't ride, Rattus.
What do you think I'm trying to teach him?
Neither can you.
Shut it.
How dumb do you think I am?
I'm just trying to work that out.
This isn't a school, it's a garden shed. I inherited it along with a house.
Oh, that means you inherited me too.
No thanks. You're all out of here by the end of the week. Does that cat ever wash?
Brilliant, Modigliana. Just when I had him sucked right in.
Oh, hi. What you doing?
Radis told me to stand outside. But I got bored. You practicing for the talent quest?
You're kidding. Mixie, I've got a chance at some real gigs. Look at this. I put an ad in the paper. Female guitarist seeks work with professional band.
Thought you were going to be a doctor.
I am going to be a doctor, but doctors are allowed to have fun too.
Hi, has InXS called yet? Baby animals?
Very funny, Leonard. Look, haven't you ever dreamed of touring the world with a rock band?
No. Oh, watch it! Don't touch that knob!
Well, what is it?
The digital volume enhancer. Yeah, highly experimental. Could be dangerous.
Oh, sorry, I didn't hear you knock.
He didn't.
That was fantastic. You could be the next, Kylie Minogue.
She doesn't play the guitar.
Details. In the music biz, it's not what you play, it's who you know.
I know her.
Yeah, big ears? Well, the whole world is going to know her soon. What's your name again?
Robbie.
Robbie. Oh, that's okay. We can change that.
Oh, hang on.
Oh, no, don't thank me. With joking management looking after you, you know you're being managed. Now, first of all, you should enter this talent quest.
No way. I would never go near a talent quest in a million years.
Hey, local exposure. Guns N' Roses, they started off in their local church.
Thanks for coming over, Joe.
Yeah, but the...
Oh, are you off, Joe? Goodbye.
When you're old, with your grandchildren at your knee, you'll bitterly regret this moment.
He's right, of course, Robbie. You know, you'll probably never forgive yourself.
Some people wouldn't know an opportunity if you jumped up and bit them on the bum.
I still say it's all your fault, Radis. Who take you for a school teacher anyway?
He was starting to, wasn't he, Darren? Darren, for the last time, we're not really in school, okay? So stop putting your hand up.
If only you'd done it my way.
What, jump into his arms and slobber on him? Puke. Darren, what is it?
Guys, we're going to lose the shed in a week.
You got any ideas?
I'm working on it.
Ah, well, we're all saved.
Cover your ears, guys, it's Keith.
What's the matter with you guys? Don't you know good music when you hear it?
Good music.
Yeah, Little Red Hot Chili Peppers number, actually.
Yeah, sounded like a chainsawed cat.
You're just jealous, Radis, because we're going to win the talent quest.
Oh, don't tell me you're going in a stupid talent quest. Oh, you better believe it.
Yeah, and when we win the beach house.
Oh, you couldn't win a chook raffle.
Hang on. What did you say?
I said, when we win the beach house, it's the first prize.
Yeah, didn't you guys know?
Yeah.
A beach house.
Beach house. Is that better than a shed?
Well, I could see myself on a surfboard, actually.
Oh, goodbye, Slumsville.
Goodbye, Joe.
Hello, paradise.